Hello everyone and welcome back to the fifth episode of this Python course. In this video we will be continuing on from what we learned in the previous video. In the previous video we learned about the basics of conditional programming and we learned about ifs and elses. In this video we will be learning about elifs as well. So firstly, this video is again into two parts but as a video. The first part will be about understanding about the elifs. The second part will be about making a sandwich program, which you will soon understand what I'm talking about soon. So let's get started. So firstly, say that you may have noticed before I start off, you may have noticed I'm not in Jupyter Notebooks today. I'm in repl.it, and that is because you should be like accustomed to whatever environment you're using. So I can use Visual Studio, I can use PyCharm, I can use Atom, I can use REPL, I can use almost all environments. So it's very important that if you're a good programmer, you have to know where about using these environments well and effectively. So let's start. Say that I'm declaring a age variable which is equal to say 40, and say and print. I had to manually indent that, by the way. So print, uh, say that you're printing your, wait, okay, no, okay, say that age is equal to 40, and if age, I messed up a bit, so if age is greater than 40, this should automatically indent, yes. If age is greater than 40, you should retire soon. Now, elifs are basically like the middle of ifs and elses. So, elifs basically is an abbreviation for else if. So, if and else can be only used when you have two conditions, like if and else. But what if you have more conditions? So, that's where we use elifs. So, and if elif age is equal to say 30, equal to 30. So and then print you are at your prime, or else print your you are young. So age is equal to 40, what should we get? You are young. Why is that? Because when age is greater than 40, it says you should retire soon. When age is equal to 30, it says you are at your prime. Or else, like whatever number except that, it says you are young. Now, instead of making, like, let me add another elif age is equal to 40. Print 40s are a great time to relax for a while. Now let me run this. I should get 40s are a great time. Yes, and there you go. Now this was just the first part. So let me just make a comment. First part. Now let me just comment out. Now second part. So the sandwich program. So this is a program which is going to say, hi, welcome to the sandwich shop. Please select a sandwich. And then it's going to give you two options, either a cheese sandwich or a veggie special sandwich. And then it's going if you select say cheese, it's going to ask you about which type of cheese you want. And if you want a veggie, it says it's going to say here's your veggie special. So if you're getting confused, it's okay because I'm going to be like talking through every part of it. So firstly, let's do print Hi, welcome to the sandwich shop. Please select a sandwich to continue. And then I'm going to make a variable called sandwich type. And then I'm going to input C for cheese, cheese sandwiches, or V for veg for a veggie special. Or I can like add even like a non-vegetarian, so like say NV, which is non-vegetarian, for a non-vegetarian sandwich. Yeah. Now let me just print that. So print, and then if sandwich dot lower, this is dot lower is to basically like have everything in lowercase. So imagine like this, since this is small c, like imagine someone actually inputs like a capital C, the Python code will not work. So everything must be converted to lower or upper, whatever you want. So if sandwich dot lower is equal to C, then let me select cheese type, and then print please, wow, I'm messing up, please select a cheese, and then full stop. Let me end that, like end that. Then I can make another variable called cheese type is equal to input. Apparently I'm getting an error, some error of some sort. We're going to fix that soon, so let me just continue for now. And then C for cheddar, or M for manchego. So, and then space, and then like print again. And then what we are going to be doing is using that indent already, which is like already there. Then if cheese type dot lower is equal to C. Wow, nothing is working out. Yeah, print here is your cheddar cheese sandwich. Thank you. And then since there's only like one other type of cheese, we can do else print here is your manchego cheese sandwich. Thanks. And then now we are basically done with the cheese. Now for now, elif elif then elif sandwich type dot lower is equal to v, because of the veggie special. Print Here's here is your veggie special sandwich. And then finally else. Wait, we have to add another elif because we're gonna need that again. Elif sandwich type dot lower is equal to nv because of the non-vegetarian. Print what meat would you like, and then meat type is going to be another variable input, and then enter C for chicken, B for beef, L for lamb, or F for fish. So we're almost done. Now what we can do now is do what we did with the cheese. So something like that. So if, and then if, let's use that indent, yeah, if meat type dot lower is equal to C, print here is your chicken sandwich. Elif meat type dot lower is beef. This is for beef. B, print here is your beef sandwich. Elif meat type, where final, this is the second last one, meat type dot lower is equal to L, print here is your lamb sandwich, and then finally else, print here is your fish sandwich, because there's no options left, so no elif required. And then if none of these conditions are, like, it's not a vegetable, not a veggie special, not a meat or a cheese, print we do not have what you are looking for. Now we may get an error, and yes, okay, so we got an error right over here, so like at the end. Okay, so the reason we got an error is because we don't have the indentation correctly put, so we got an error over here. Let me just back indent, and then this can be a problem sometimes, but it's very important that you actually not mess this up. So like line 35 now, so let's find out why we're getting an error over here. So for now, let's just like pause for like 10 or 15 minutes and then try to figure it out, and then I'm going to give you the answer. Hello everyone, welcome back. So if you have taken your time to think, you would remember that there was like this problem on line 35. So it was just like a mere indentation and syntax problem. So after finishing this, it should be working fine. So if you, all this code will be there on my GitHub. So GitHub, I don't care how to say it all, but so you can check on my GitHub page. So, and let's just try to see what happens. You do not need to care about this part, which is basically this part. So This is what we're looking from. So forget this is there. So you're going to look at this part only. From hi, welcome to the sandwich shop. Please select a sandwich to continue. C for cheese sandwiches, or V for veggie special, and finally NV for a non-vegetarian. Say, because I eat non-vegetarian, let me just try NV. It says, what meat would you like? Enter C for chicken, B for beef, L for lamb, or F for fish. I don't eat fish, lamb, or beef, so C. I have entered C, but there was no space, so let me just like add the space, so it's going to be like easier. Let me just add the space, and that should fix pretty much our problem. So now again, let me run this. Say this time I'm taking a veggie special or a V. Here is your veggie special sandwich. Say cheese. Let me just try out all the options to see if they're correct. So C. So cheddar or manchego. Say I want to take cheddar. I took cheddar. There you go. Now cheese is done. I did veggie special as well. So now let's just like see, like for example, take the fish because else. Okay, so let me just try that. Say NV fish, and there you go. That's basically it. So this is like a pretty big program, this part. So from all the way up till the 15th line till the 46th, it's 31 lines of code, which is like more than what we have done before. So like no need to freak out or anything. So I hope you have understood how to use conditional programs, and in the next video I'll see you again. Goodbye and have a nice day.